Hello, this is Teal from the pinball community, and one very quick update on flippers I made for an extension to my current pinball machine I'm working on. Eventually I'm going to do a video on just making flippers in general that are mechanical and don't use solenoids, just because there's so many different variables that can mess with those flippers. If you have too much resistance, they can get stuck in various things. But I'm going to go to that in another video, so I just wanted to give a quick update. So this is so for these flippers I made, I actually have a small, or not small, sorry, and a very like, I don't know, I want to say, I can't remember exactly when pinball came out, but it's like it was during when pinball, because pinball used to be kind of like Plinko game, where it was just a slingshot, go up to the board, you have pegs, and then it would fall into different spots where you get points. And there's no flippers, no control. So I think the machine I have upstairs right now I got it. I think it's when they just added flippers to the game, and so the flippers really don't add much to control to the game, but they add only a little bit. But anyways, the flippers in that game are set up backwards like this, reverse. And so I like that idea, and I decided I wanted to have more control on flippers like that, and have my mini playfield be backward flippers. But there are a few problems with that. One, the flipper mech I had done before goes forward, and there's no simple way to keep it with this curve. And the way I did this, there's no way to do it backwards. I would have to have the button on the opposite side or something. But so what I came up with was using gears. I could use gears to have the normal go here, and then turn that gear and reverse the direction that the push is giving to a flipper. So that's what I came up with. So these are 3 printed parts right here. At the time when I first printed these, I was not sure how big I wanted the handle to be for pushing it, how long I wanted it to be. So I made the gear ladder kind of thing. I gave it screw holes and made it just a little small piece that I could attach to whatever future handle I had, so that I wouldn't have to reprint stuff and print it as a one whole piece. That can be 2 separate pieces. Makes things a lot easier. So yeah, a lot of different variables that worked out really well. I have just these right here, letting it go to its full length, and then its shorter length. Only one spring, which is really nice. Having only one spring and this thing works shows that there's not a lot of resistance, which helps them work really well. There's a lot of variables I went to. This right here, to keep it from moving up and down, I have these 2 pins keeping it, and they're kind of like bearings, because I have these little small circular cylinders that spin, so it gives it roll. And same in here, these spin too, so it just gives it room to move. Not room to move, but it keeps it tight while working it, giving it less resistance. So yeah, I'll do a quick they work quite beautifully. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I hope to do another video soon with really just going through how to make mechanical flippers that are non-electronic. So I hope this is useful, or more or less just an update. So yeah, thanks. I will see you later next time. Bye.